Good evening, Dr. Miskua. So to answer the first question, the most significant experience that I had in physics online laboratory class is that being able to go back to school and to experience blended learning for the first time. It's actually good to be back in the laboratory again after 2 years of continuous online class because it makes learning more fun and not boring as compared to doing it in here in our house, which makes it a bit more boring. And I'm also happy because I get to spend time with my classmates whom I missed for almost 2 years, and being able to do the experiments with them and catching up with them is actually really fun, and on my part it's actually good. So to answer the second question, I learned a lot of lessons and acquired some skills from doing the uh, experiments both in the online setup and in the face-to-face setup. But most of them are just reviews on my part, such as that of the electromagnetism, light, the motion of speed, and the topics concerning the significant figures, and etc. Most of them are just reviews on my part. But I still believe that the basic concepts that we've encountered in the class are important in understanding how the world works and how the natural phenomena that are embedded in our reality can be seen. Other than that, understanding the concept is necessary for developing new instrumentations and techniques for medical application. So, especially in my case, I am gonna pursue medicine someday, and it's very important for me to know how the different technologies and equipments work. So, physics is a big part of it, like in the MRI or in the process of surgery. We are gonna incorporate a lot of a lot of lessons that we've acquired from this class. To answer the last question, I've written this in the reflection part of my past laboratory reports, and said this earlier. I believe that my enhanced knowledge will help me utilize various medical instruments and technologies that are important in diagnosing diseases and such as parasitic infections and viral infections, and treating them with the right medication. So other than that, I'm also planning to become a teacher someday, so I might be able to share this knowledge with my students so that they will become effective professionals someday.